Have you been exposed to PFAS contaminated water? Well, the time to act is now before it's too late to join the national lawsuit. I'm attorney Tracy Paulson with Rightful Legal. If you've been affected by PFAS contaminated drinking water, the toxic forever chemicals found in firefighting foam in water systems across the country, this is a critical update you need to hear. The national PFAS litigation is advancing very rapidly. A federal court overseeing the AFF multi-district litigation recently held a key science day hearing on June 20th. Focusing on two types of cancers, liver cancer and thyroid cancer, as associated with PFAS exposure. To be completely transparent, it did not go very well. The court expressed skepticism about the scientific connection between PFAS exposure and those two types of cancer, raising questions about whether the available research proves a strong enough link or high enough dose. That could mean lower settlement values or more hurdles for liver and thyroid cancer cases down the line. But here's what you should know. The strongest and most likely to be compensated injuries still include kidney cancer, testicular cancer, and ulcerative colitis. These conditions are the focus of the upcoming Daubert hearing scheduled for September 19th, 2025, which will determine what evidence is allowed at trial. The first major bellwether trial focused on kidney cancer is set for October of 2025. Here's why this matters for you. Behind the scenes, settlement negotiations are intensifying. There is real momentum toward a deal for personal injury, water contamination cases, and the court is pushing both sides, both the plaintiffs and the defendants, to reach an agreement. But if you haven't filed your claim yet, you're at serious risk of missing out. Plaintiffs who are already in the system will be first in line for any compensation and payouts. If you wait until after a settlement is announced, your case may be delayed or excluded from the first wave entirely. At Rightful Legal, we are actively helping people across the country file their PFAS injury claims before it's too late. If you've been diagnosed with kidney cancer, testicular cancer, or ulcerative colitis, and you've lived near a military base, airport, or you've drank from PFAS contaminated water in a location for more than 1 year, now is the time to step forward. Please call me today. You can reach me directly at 617-821-5856. Preserve your rights and fight for the compensation you deserve. Don't miss the time to file and risk being barred from bringing your claim in the future and holding these companies responsible for the harm that they have brought to most people on this planet.